This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In this rather short video, I'm going to be talking about how I shoot my 4K RV reviews for YouTube. Here's my little setup. It has a little case that came with the gimbal, and I bought this gimbal for only 80 bucks. You can of course buy something super nice for 150 bucks or something super nice for $200. There's my little action camera, and that's a battery I bought that's extra. I bought a couple extra batteries. They're pretty cheap on the internet. And there's a micro SD card. I have a spare in case the other one gets full. I can always add another card and shoot some more. There's my little external USB, microphone. It works very nice. It only costs like 10 bucks on the internet. And this is a little tripod that came with the gimbal, and it's pretty plasticky and it's pretty cheap, but it works. And since the setup is rather light, it's not an issue. And there's my little camera on top. You can buy a very nice action camera for 100 bucks, 200 bucks, or 400 bucks. It's all a matter of your budget. And there's the little case. Again, I just covered it up. Here I am in my modest home studio. Yes, I need to get a haircut, but that's an eventuality. Who knows? Maybe one of these years. And there's the action camera with the external microphone. Again, it's a $10 microphone that I can buy, and it comes out pretty good sound. I actually like the sound, but typically for most of my YouTube videos, I don't use a microphone, and I just do a narration over my videos in my modest little home studio. Okay, and of course you can buy a microphone for YouTube videos, and for 100 bucks online or 50 bucks, and they're pretty nice. The USB type. Here I am with the sample video just to show you what you can do in 4K with this little action camera. Again, it's a $130 typically online action camera, and of course they got some really nice GoPros out there, and of course DJI has some very nice action cameras too. Or you can buy an all-in-one setup with a gimbal and a camera built in, or you can just buy a gimbal and buy a small camera. There's all kinds of combinations. Of course they all add up, and this is a budget setup. This is a budget setup. It's for people like me who don't like spending too much money on a gimbal for RV reviews. So here's another section of video that I have. I have 3 sections of video I'm going to share with you. And what do you think of the quality of the video? All I'm going to do with this video is add a little contrast in post, and it works out pretty good. And maybe lighten up in certain sections, but for this video probably not. It looks like it's pretty good exposure, and there's a close-up. With this action camera I only can get about 8 inches away, and this has a 90-degree field of view. There are some action cameras that have a 120-degree field of view. They can shoot wide open spaces rather readily, and I turned on all the lights in this travel trailer because action cameras typically, as compared to other cameras with their tiny sensors, are very poor in low light situations. So be aware of that. So what do you think of my setup? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Explain how I shoot 4K RV reviews for YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.